So this is Captain Jack's Bar and Grill. It's not very big, but the food was nice. David had ribs and chicken wings. And what did you think of it? He took a picture of it, so I'll plonk that in the video as well when I put it online.
8 chicken wings.
8 chicken wings and half a rack of ribs and chips, yeah. And I had a big dog. Oh yeah, but I couldn't manage it all. Yeah? Probably because I was still full from my breakfast this morning. So it's a bit noisy because that's the staff are making a bit of a noise, but there's the rest of it there. So it's not a huge place. We've always passed it and wonder what it was like, and now we know. Food's nice. There you go, David's actually trying a pint of beer. He hasn't been drinking much lately, have you? No, not. I think we're getting to the age now where that's sort of getting a bit,
I don't know about that.
getting a bit off the cards, I think now. Do you think? Maybe it's for our health. Our health more than anything. But yeah, so there you go. That's our little meal that we had in Captain Jack's. And now we're going to hop on the tram and going to the other end, the north end, and do some drone footage because it was pouring down this morning, but it's now brightening up. So we'll do some more drone footage, and then we're going to get the tram back to our car, which is on the south end of the Blackpool, where we were staying in the carousel. So we'll see you later on when we go up to the north end. Bye for now. So we've just come up on the tram to the north. Not all the way north.
To the Cliffs.
To the Cliffs Hotel, which is over there. We've stayed in there once before. Yeah, you can see the tower just above the buildings there. And on the corner with the blue canopy down there, that's the Savoy, another Britannia hotel. The Cliffs belongs to the Choice Hotel Group. So we're going to have a wander down here, and then we're going to see if we can set the drone up somewhere. We'll see how far this goes. I think might go all the way down to the promenade. It's getting out and warm now. It was raining this morning. Horrible it was. But it's getting quite warm now.
It's getting nice now.
Yeah. Never been down this path before. Definitely cloudier than yesterday, but it's definitely getting warm. Tide's coming in. Well, we've just done another drone footage. Oh my god, that was interesting. I was getting a bit scared actually because there's loads of seagulls trying to get it. Huh?
Yeah, they're swooping in for it.
Oh, if one of them had knocked it off course, it would have been ending up in the water. That was scary, wasn't it?
Right.
Well, we were very lucky to get that drone back. But the footage should be interesting. Might be quite good with all them seagulls, but it'll have been a bit jolty because I was up and down, didn't know which way I was going or anything. Oh, but it was funny. Well, it wasn't at the time. I was quite scared actually.
We'll see what it's like.
Yeah, we'll see what it's like when we download them tonight. When we get home. Oh dear. Oh, my heart was going 50 to the dozen. But we'll see what it was like. It's all a learning curve, isn't it?
Yeah. Don't fly by the seagulls. Seagulls will get it.
Yeah. Mine, we've done quite well with the footage, we think. They've never attacked it before.
No.
It's just this time, unless their nests were close by or something.
Been
Oh,
smell of weed around.
oh, hey.
Everywhere you go.
Everywhere you go, you smell weed and it's horrible. But hey ho, that's just our opinion.
Yep.
So yeah, we'll see what it's like later. It was funny now thinking about it, but there again, if it had crashed into the sea, that would have been the end of the drone.
Yep. There we go. Though.
There we go. There's a looks stormy, but it's not.
Tide's coming in.
Tide's coming in.
Going out. Heading to wherever.
Oh yeah, look at that, guys. I'll just zoom in. Coming from Heysham, that. Yeah. Quite a nice crossing for it as well. It's not too
Not too bad at all.
Not too bad, no, not at all. Yeah, what a lovely day to turn out to be again. Even though the clouds don't do it justice, but anyways, we'll get going further a bit along and then we're gonna get a tram back to the car and off we go back to Longtown. See y'all later, guys.
Bye.